Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mubin. In student and Google community, I am also known as Mubin Memon. I have been associated with ICRA University main campus since spring 2019 for the courses of accounting, finance and research. I have done MPhil in finance from Bilkent University, Ankara, Turkey on HEC scholarship in 2017. It was the first AAC accredited university of Turkey and falls in the top 100 of world university in the category of age under 50. While doing MS from Turkey, I also did some of the PhD finance course from there too. My research work is on sustainable growth under second equity issue. I also hold another MS degree in management science from Zabit, which I completed in 2014, and a certificate in Islamic banking and finance from Center of Islamic Economics, Karachi in 2011. I am also certified fellow member of Professional Accountancy Body of Pakistan Institute for Public Finance, which I completed in 2010. I have been its associate member since 2012 and fellow member since 2018. I do hold affiliate membership status of Chartered Institute of Public Finance Accountant UK since 2019. Currently, I am also working as a freelance accounting and tax consultant for the business individuals and small traders, along with looking after my accounts of family businesses. As a certified public finance accountant and tax consultant with the industry experience in preparing financial statement for small traders for the tax purpose to be submitted to different regulatory authorities such as FBR and SSCP, I currently mentor students of BBA and MBA aiming to boost students' financial reporting and feasibility skills through IRIS portal of FBR and advanced Excel training. I enjoy teaching accounting, finance and research courses with a special interest in financial modeling, corporate finance, cost and management accounting and quantitative research methods. I teach finance and accounting course both at undergrad and graduate level and am active in promoting entrepreneurship aptitude in BBA and MBA student at ICRA University. Prior to joining ICRA University in spring 2019, I was academically associated with Bilkent University, Ankara, Turkey, Aga Khan University Examination Board, Karachi, Zabis, Karachi and many other private and public sector universities as a visiting faculty since spring 2009. Till date, I have 7 HEC recognized publications, out of which 2 are Scopus Index and 2 are ABDC Index in the area of accounting and finance. For teaching method, I prefer and love to use Excel over whiteboard to demonstrate accounting and finance concept to integrate complex real-life business scenario for student analytical understanding. Thank you.